Hello guys, it's Chris from thedaxtrader.co.uk. It's the 27th of June and we're going to take a look at Ethereum. All right, so jumping straight into the chart. Similar story on Ethereum to as we've seen on Bitcoin, in that we're in a bear market at the moment. Lower lows, lower highs, pretty clearly defined, and looking like we're coming down to test this 360 low, where a lot of traders and a lot of investors are probably going to look to buy if it gets there. So we'll see how that plays out. As far as entries are concerned, over the last month or two, the MPL technique has worked quite well. Multi-pivot line or trend line, to keep it simple. And at the moment, we're currently bearish below 548, so we can continue selling at the moment as long as it stays below that level. Spots to sell, depends how aggressive you want to be. The first spot would be a more conservative one, which would be around about the 500 zone, somewhere between 500 to 520. You can put a stop above the 550 level and take a short to break to a new low. A more aggressive one would be to speculate that this mini low, lower high, should I say, that's arrowed up here, would go on to become the new lower high, and that'll happen once this 420 low is taken out. So it's all a question of whether or not this forming multi-pivot line does actually turn out to be the line to use for the new break to the downside, and whether 420 is broken. So they're the questions to ask. There is some interesting price action at the moment, in that we've had this bullish engulfing candle similar to Bitcoin. We haven't been able to break below that at the moment. It is currently holding, but with this doji formation down here, I'll be just interested to see how this battle plays out. I would like to see this MPL form with a third touch, get a bounce higher and then break below it for a short. But we'll have to just continue to watch that for the moment. So more conservative entry would be to short somewhere near around the 500 level. A more aggressive entry would be to short with a stop loss above this high, targeting a new low on both. Alternatively, if you want to get long on this market, if you want to do it at this stage, that's fine, but you might need a longer stop loss than you're comfortable with, because just based on how price action has been working over the last couple of months, it does seem to want to get down to that 360 level. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck trading.